Hey guys, happy Monday. It's raining here near my house, and I spent most of the day painting Kate's bedroom, which was fun, but a lot of work. Anyways, I'm going to read to you one of our favorites, Elephant and Piggy. There is a bird on your head. Oh, not on my head. Is there a bird on your head? There is a bird on your head. Flutter, 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 flutter. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! I know you guys like that part. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now, there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, would you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Funny. Let's see if you guys can find the pigeon. Oh, there he is. There he is. I don't know if you guys know this, but the Kennedy Center is working with Mo Willems, who's the author of the Elephant and Piggy books, and Nuffle Bunny, to do some daily drawings with kids, just like you guys. So I think if you go on YouTube and search for Mo Willems, you can find him. So I hope you guys had a good day and that you're staying safe and healthy. And I miss you guys so, so much. Bye.